Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Temple Hills, local and long-distance movers near me. Moving miles away to an unknown location can be a little overwhelming. It's going to be a challenging task to look for a new home, job, and school for your kids, all the while still dealing with packing and organizing your stuff. We are trusted to provide quality services at affordable prices. In Temple Hills, customers have been coming to 3 men and a truck for meeting their moving requirements for more than 2 decades. Our moving staff is experienced in meeting every moving need. From packaging to loading, we handle everything. Rest assured, all your things are going to be at your doorstep at the scheduled time, safe and sound. Hiring our moving team means you get experts ready to make your local move extremely simple. A move that might take you a weekend to complete, we will tackle it in just a few hours. Our moving crew will handle everything from packing and unpacking your things to disassembling and reassembling your furniture at your new place. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Temple Hills moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form